Hello, and welcome to the first part in a series of simple Godot tutorials. So, you want to use Godot, but how do you start? In this video, I'll show you exactly that, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is to download Godot from the official website, GodotEngine.org. Click on the download 3.5.1 button, and then download the 64-bit version. Most likely that is what your system is. And then you can just save this into the downloads, unzip it, and then move the files over into Program Files into a Godot folder. And then if you want, you can create a desktop shortcut or pin it to the taskbar. And then we just open it up and get started. You just create a project, a new project, create a folder for that project, name the project, and then you just get familiar with the interface, and you can watch a video about beginner projects, and I will try to upload a video of a beginner project that you can follow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.